Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, M.A.J. Customs. I am Amanda, and today we will be putting a cute kitchen quote, well, a cute Christmas quote on these kitchen gloves, well, the oven mitt, and then as well as the pot holders. I got two of these ones. They came two together, as well as these ones, okay? So we're gonna put a cute quote on here for Christmas using white heat transfer vinyl. I purchased this off of 143 Vinyl, you guys. That's pretty much where we get all our vinyl from. You get a nice amount of vinyl for a decent price, okay? And with that being said, we will be using today our mini HTVRont press. So yeah, this is a mini press from HTVRont, you guys. If you guys are not looking to want to spend, I think Cricut sells theirs for $50. I only paid $30 at the time I purchased this, and this was over a year that I got this, okay? So just letting you know, this one works just as good because I've already used it before, okay? So I'm just showing you all how I'm going to use it on these mittens, all right? So yeah, if you guys want to, go check out the HTVRont Mini Press, all right? All right, so without further ado, you all, let's get into this video so I can show y'all where I got the design from, okay? Okay everyone, so here we are in Creative Fabrica, and for the design you can just type in Christmas calories don't count, and then it'll give you something like, well, it will show you this. And there are other ones if you go back and hit search. There are other designs if you guys don't want this one. This one's cute too. Okay, so they do have other ones out there. This is just the one I'm going with today, okay? So once you click on it, you're going to just download. And I have a little arrow right here, so I'm just going to click on it and open it. And then the one we want, let me bring this down. You'll get something like this. And the one that we want is the PNG, so you're going to open it. And now for Creative Fabrica, we are going to want to save this because we have to go back in Creative Fabrica and hit browse to upload it. So you're going to want to save it. Make sure you know where you're saving your image at. Okay, it's going to come up like this, and then I'm just going to take off that ending right there of the one. I already have it saved in here, but I'm just showing you all the steps, okay? So make sure you know where it's at when you save. Mine will be in pictures. As you can see, they're already right here. I don't need two of them. I can delete one of them. All right, so mine is already right here in pictures. So keep in mind, just know where it's going to be saved at. And now if you're going to do this in Silhouette Studios, all you will have to do, let me bring you all in. Bring it over, bring it up. And over. Okay, so in Silhouette Studios, all you have to do, you guys, is just open the image. Your image is going to be open like this, and then you can just drag it over into Silhouette Studios. Okay, it's just that simple. And then of course you're going to want to resize, so you just click on your image, and then there should be like an, hold on, did it? All right, I may have to open it back up. Sometimes it freezes, so you have to like, okay, there we go. So now we can just, now that we have it squared out, we can go up here, and it's already unlocked, this little lock up here where your width and height is, and just type in 3.500. That's the width and height I'm going with, but you guys can go with whatever you would like. It doesn't have to necessarily be the width and height I'm using. And then you can just take off the red lines, the outline, and always remember to mirror, okay? All right, so that's for Silhouette Studios. Now we are going to go into Cricut because that's what I am going to use today to cut this image out. Okay, everyone, so here we are in Cricut. Now we are going to just hit upload image, hit browse, and mine is right here. As you can see, again, remember I told you pay attention to where you save yours at. So now I'm just gonna click on it and hit open, hit complex, hit continue, and hit apply and continue. And we're just going to cut this out. We're not going to do anything else. We're not using a printer. So we'll just click on the cut image and hit upload, okay? And it will be right here. So we'll just click on it and hit add to Canva. Now it's humongous. It came out really large. So we can just go ahead and go up here, hit this unlock, and then of course you can just type in whatever width and height, 3.500, 3.500. There we have it. Okay, and remember, you would want to mirror your image as well. Right here, horizontally. Okay, so keep in mind we flip our images when using the heat transfer vinyl. Okay, all right, you guys, so now that I have mine, I am gonna go ahead and get ready to cut these out. I have some small like vinyl pieces like this, so if you guys can see that, there's scraps that I do go back and use. So if you guys are just starting out, try to keep your scraps in a container, because you never know when you can go back and they can come in handy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the pieces of scrap that I have, so that's why I'm going to do mine individually. But you can lay yours out. If you have a big roll of vinyl and you don't have no scraps, then you can just lay yours out. What is it, like, I think you can get three across and maybe one on the bottom. Remember, I'm doing 2 kitchen gloves as well as 2 of the pot holder. Okay, and then if you go to hit make it, oh, I already had some on here already. Okay, so I can go ahead and delete some of these. All right, so let me click these and delete those. All right, now let's just click make it, because mine are there. You could see them. Okay, so yeah, you'll be able to get 3 across. Change your mat size to 12 by 12. That's what I'm using. And then that's what you should have, okay? All right, so now you can get ready to hit continue, and then we can go ahead and cut these out. And I will be back to show you all my end results after I get done weeding out the vinyl. For the cut settings in Cricut, you all, I used everyday iron on, and then for the pressure, I just hit more and then done, okay? Just to let you know, if you didn't know, the settings that you have to use to cut the vinyl, the heat transfer vinyl. Okay, you guys, so I just want to show you, if you're having trouble seeing your cut lines like I sometimes do, I like to use the roll method to kind of pop them lines so you can see where it cut out at. A lot of times I struggle when it comes to smaller designs, and I just roll my image. See how you can kind of see it? I don't know if you can kind of see how it's lifting right there. Or you can go ahead and invest in one of these. This also is helpful. It's a LED lighting. I know Cricut has them for like $100, but mine, where's my box? Mine looks like this. Let me get it in there so you guys can see it. All right, so this is what mine looks like. And I only paid, I think, like $20 or $30 for this one, okay? So it's not that expensive, but make sure if you go on Amazon and you type in this, make sure you also type in for heat transfer vinyl. So you don't want to invest in one. This isn't actually heat transfer vinyl, but this is what I had got at the time. But there are some that say heat transfer vinyl, for heat transfer vinyl specifically, okay? So make sure you type that in, all right? Okay, you guys, so as you can see, all my images are already weeded, okay? For the glove, for the mitten, I'm gonna put my design up like this because mine is gonna go hanging like this. So it's gonna go hung like this, if you guys can see, okay? Let me lift y'all up some. So yeah, mine will be going on the counter hung like this. So I'm gonna put my image about right here, okay? And for the HTVRont Mini, you guys, it's 3 temperatures, so you can set it at whichever one you want just by hitting the power button. For the first one, it is 284. The second one will be 320, and the last one is 356. Now, even though when we use the big heat press, we normally press regular heat transfer vinyl for 307 degrees, but because we're doing the pressure ourselves with this, I have it on the highest heat, and we are going to go ahead, and I think that looks good. And then we're just gonna go ahead and place the mini press on our image and just start circular motion, okay? And as you can see, it didn't take long. So that's why I say just be careful. All right, that one didn't take down. Just be careful, you guys. You can use the second one, but when I tried to use the second one before, that one didn't take. It took me a little bit longer. Okay, it took me a little bit longer to adhere the image. So, and right now I'm not even doing this firm. I'm just going over it with like a medium press. This one's not taking right there, so I may have to go a little harder on this one. Okay, all right, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, just be careful, because if your image, some of your image don't take, you want to be careful that you don't lift this up too quick. Just down here. Okay. And this little section right here. Now, if you want, I have a pillow that I could have inserted in this so it could stay, you know, elevated, so it could stay up and not go down when you press it. You can purchase the these Teflon pillows. You can purchase them offline, and you can, they got a little one where you can insert just like so if you don't want it to go down. Okay, so here goes our first one, you guys. Look at that. Christmas calories don't count. I think looks really cute. And then we also have these ones right here. Again, you can place a pillow under it. That way it kind of give you some type of like stability, and it won't, you know, push down, seeming that, you know how you got the stitch markings. Okay, let me make sure I get the whole image. Okay, and then again, you want to just slowly check it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So there goes the pot holder. Isn't that cute? Okay, everyone, so here I'm just finishing up the last pot holder. Oops, whoops, 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 whoops. This one's not adhering. Hot. Okay, you guys, so this is all of them. Oops, you can't see. Okay, here they go. You guys can see they came out really, really cute. So if you guys are looking for something fun to do, something simple, something easy to kind of like, you know, brighten up your kitchen a little bit, you can also do these with red, but our kitchen is gray and white, so I just went with the gray and the white vinyl. So yeah, you guys, there you have it. So if this video was fun to do and fun to watch, fun to create, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will see you all in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.